हेलो बच्चों, यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स करने वाले हैं। इसके पहले जो है वीडियो लेक्चर नंबर 7 आप पहले वहाँ पे उसको देखिए। उसमें जो है ग्राफ के बारे में पूरा जो है कंसेप्ट को मैंने एक्सप्लेन करके दिया है। ठीक है, तो अगर आपने वो लेक्चर नहीं देखा है तो पहले आप लेक्चर नंबर 7 देखिए और उसके बाद से लेक्चर नंबर 8। इसमें हम क्या करने वाले हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू just prepare the table. We are going to prepare the table for linear equation in two variables to draw the graph. Okay, so let us start. यहाँ पे पहला इक्वेशन है लीनियर इक्वेशन टू वेरिएबल से। पहला जो है वेरी फर्स्ट, दैट इज x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 4। तो आप इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा। इस इक्वेशन का आपको सबसे पहले टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करने वाले हैं, यहाँ पे x plus y is equal to 3 इसका टेबल बनाएंगे यहाँ पे। तो कैसे बनाएंगे जरा इसको ध्यान दीजिए। हाउ वी विल सॉल्व। So very first one, that is x plus y is equal to 3 और second equation है x minus y is equal to 4। So this is what x plus y is equal to 3। एक्चुअली हमें इस लीनियर इक्वेशन है, तो लीनियर इक्वेशन जब भी आप ग्राफ पेपर पर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आपको हमेशा स्ट्रेट लाइन मिलने वाला है। तो अगर लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है तो मिनिमम 2 पॉइंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड। ओके, लेकिन हम कम से कम जो है 3 पॉइंट्स निकालने वाले हैं। अब समझ लीजिए हमारे पास इक्वेशन है x plus y is equal to 3। तो x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 3, दिस प्लस बिकम्स माइनस y। ओके, x plus y is equal to 3 है, so what will be x, therefore x will be what 3 minus y। यहाँ पे y की आप अलग अलग वैल्यू ले लीजिए। जैसे कि मान लीजिए y आप 1 ले सकते हैं, y की वैल्यू आप 2 ले सकते हो और y की वैल्यू आप 3 ले सकते हो। So when you will take y is equal to 1, so x की वैल्यू क्या होगी, तो x is equal to क्या होगा, x is equal to होगा 3 minus y आपका 1 है, 3 minus 1, so x की वैल्यू 2 हो जाएगी। when y is equal to, अगर y की वैल्यू आप 2 लेते हो तो x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 3 minus 2 और आपको 1 मिलेगा। when you will consider y is equal to 3, अगर आप y की वैल्यू 3 लेते हैं तो x क्या होगा आपके पास, x होगा x is equal to क्या है 3 minus y है, तो 3 minus 3, so x की वैल्यू आपको 0 मिलने वाली है। ठीक है, तो ये आपका है लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल x plus y is equal to 3। y when y is 1 x is 2, when y is 2 x is 1 and when y is 3 x is 0। ओके, सो ऑर्डर पेयर में लिखेंगे। सबसे पहले x की वैल्यू लिखते हैं, फिर y की वैल्यू लिखते हैं। तो x आपका क्या है 2 है, सो 2, 1, ये होगा 1, 2 और ये आपका होगा 0, 3। क्लियर। तो ये है आपका टेबल। मैं यहाँ पे ये वैल्यूज लिख देता हूँ। फर्स्ट क्या है आपका 2, 1 एंड देन 1, 2 और 0, 3। ये पहले इक्वेशन का है। Similarly, we can prepare table for second equation. So इसको इरेज कर देता हूँ और फिर हम लोग जो है सेकेंड इक्वेशन का टेबल बनाने वाले हैं। ना ये जो है आपका x plus y का है, x plus y is equal to 3 के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं ये, क्योंकि हमें ग्राफ भी प्लॉट करना है। अब हम जो है सेकेंड इक्वेशन के लिए जाएंगे। ओके, हमारे पास सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या है, सेकेंड इक्वेशन है x minus y is equal to 4। तो हमें x minus y is equal to 4 इसका भी टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा आपको। सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द टेबल फॉर द लीनियर इक्वेशन x minus y is equal to 4। Okay, so again therefore what will be x will be 4 plus this minus y becomes plus y। अब यहाँ पे आप y की अलग अलग वैल्यू ले सकते हो और आपको x की अलग अलग वैल्यू मिल जाएगी। मान लो आपने y 1 लिया है, फिर 2 लिया है, फिर 3 लिया है। So when y is 1. When y is 1, so what will be x? X will be 4 plus y. Y is 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5. When y is 2, so what will be x? So x is equal to 4 plus y. Y is 2, so 4 plus 2 is what? 6. And when y is equal to 3, so x will be 4 plus y is 3 now, so 4 plus 3 is 7. So when y is 1, x is 5. When y is 2, x is 6. When y is 3, x is 7. So this can be written as 5, 1, 6, 2 and 7, 3. Clear? So this is a point for second equation of question number 1, that is what? 5, 1 and then 6, 2 and third one 7, 3. Clear? So this is the first equation. First question, x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so okay, fine. So here we have prepared table for question number 1. Similarly, now we will prepare for table for second question. This is our practice set 1.1 state board, Maharashtra state board. Now we will solve for first is over. Now second we will see second one. This is what x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. Similarly, we will prepare the table for this also. So this is x, this is y, x comma y. Now first equation is what? X plus y is equal to 6. So x plus y is equal to 6. So what will be x? X will be 6 minus y. Now again you are going to consider different value of y, and so you will get the different value of x. So again I will take 1, 2 and 3. Just you take y is equal to 1. So when y is 1, so what will be x? So x will be 6 minus 1, so this will be 5. When y is 2, so what will be x? X will be 6 minus y, y is 2, so 6 minus 2, so you will get 4. And when y is equal to 3, so x will be what? 6 minus 3, so you will get 3. Means this is the value of x. Y is 1, y is 2 and y is 3, and x is 5, x is 4 and x is 3. So 5, 4, 3, ordered pair 5, 1, 4, 2 and 3, 3. Clear? So this is the what? We'll say that second equation ordered pair is 5, 1, 4, 2 and 3, 3. So I am writing this all ordered pair here, and then we will draw these points on the graph paper. Okay, so this is the what? Table for y plus 6. Sorry, this is table for x plus y is equal to 6. Clear? Now we will draw the table for x minus y is equal to 4. So next one is x minus y is equal to 4. Okay. So I will erase this. So x minus y is equal to 4. We are going to draw the table or construct the table for the linear equation x minus y is equal to 4. So therefore this is the solution. X minus y is equal to 4. So what will be x? X will be 4 plus y. Now again you can consider different value of what you may take 1, 2 and 3. So you will get, what is the value of x? 4 plus 1, this will be 5, and then 4 plus 2, this will be 6, and this will be 7. And ordered pair will be 5, 1, 6, 2 and 7, 3. Okay. So I will write this ordered pair here, 5, 1, then 6, 2 and 7, 3. Already we have solved this equation in first also, because these both are similar one, right? Now we will solve third question. We are going to construct the table for third question. So our third question is x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. So third one, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. So solution, we will consider the table. So x plus y is equal to 5. So what will be x? X is equal to 5. This plus y becomes minus y. So x is equal to 5 minus y. Now you will consider different value of y. You can take when y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 or y is equal to 3. You may take any other value also. You may take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, no problem. You can take any value, but choose the value which gives us answer like minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This less than 8. Okay. So you can able to plot the points on the graph paper. Because if you will get x is equal to 20, so it will create problem. So try to minimize the value of x and y less than 8. Okay. Okay, fine. So when y is 1, so what will be x? So you will get x is equal to 5 minus y is 1, so x is equal to 4. When y is 2, so x will be what? 5 minus 2, so you will get x is equal to 3. When y is 3, so x is equal to 5 minus y is 3, so 5 minus 3, and this you will get 2. Means when you write in the ordered pair form, so what is x and what is y? So x is 4 and y is 1, so 4, 1. What will be? X is 3, y is 2, so 3, 2, and here x is 2 and y is 3, 2, 3. So for the third equation, first table is ready. That is what first pair is what 4, 1, 3, 2 and 2, 3. So I'll write here, this is what 4, 1, then 3, 2 and 2, 3. Okay. Now similarly, we will construct the table for x minus y is equal to 3. So table x y, this is x comma y, and we are preparing table for x minus y is equal to 3. So our equation is x minus y is equal to 3. So what will be the value of x? X is equal to 3 plus y. Okay. Again you will put different value of y here, and then you will get a different value of x. So you may take y as a 0 or 3 or 5. You may take different value rather than y is 1, y is 2 and y is 3. So now we will take the different value of y. First I will take when y is equal to 0. So what will be x? So x is equal to 3 plus y means 3 plus 0. So this is equal to 3. So we are getting 3. When y is equal to 3, so what is the value of x? So x is equal to 3 plus y is 3 now. So this is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. So here 6 you will get. And when y is equal to 5, so the value of x is 3 plus y is 5 now. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So value of x is 8 here. Now write the ordered pair 3, 0, 6, 3, 8, 5. Clear? So this is the table for x minus y is equal to 3. And we'll write the ordered pair here also 3, 0, and then 6, 3 and 8, 5. Okay students, so in this way you are going to prepare the table to draw the graph of the given simultaneous linear equations. Now fourth and fifth you will try. This is for homework. Fourth and fifth will be homework. Sixth and seventh table I am going to prepare. Okay. Okay students, so 4 and 5th is homework. Okay, 4, 5th, this is first, second, third. We have solved. 4th and 5th is homework. You will solve homework. And 6 and 7 I will take now. So what is 6? So 6th one is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. And second one, that is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So again to solve this, to prepare the table for this linear equation, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Keep one variable left hand side and transfer other to right hand side. So 3x is equal to what? You will minus 7 plus 4y. Okay. And therefore, what will be x? So x will be minus 7 plus 4y divided by 3. Whole divided by 3. Now student, so you are getting x is equal to minus 7 plus 4y upon 3. Now you are going to select the value of variable y such that the addition of these two term is always divisible by 3. Okay. So for example, if you will consider y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, so 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So when y is equal to 1, okay, when y is equal to 1, x is equal to what? Minus 7 plus 4, y is 1 and divided by 3. So this will be what? Minus 7 plus 4 divided by 3. So therefore, x is equal to what? Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 3, you will get x is equal to minus 1. Means when y is 1, x is minus 1. Now we will take y is equal to 2. When you will consider y is equal to 2, so 4 2s are 8. Minus 2. Take y is equal to minus 2. So when y is equal to minus 2, so what will be x? So x will be equal to what? Minus 7 plus 4 into y is minus 2 and divided by 3. So this will be minus 7. This is minus, so this plus becomes minus. 4 2s are 8 divided by 3, and this will be minus 7 minus 8 minus 15 upon 3, and this is equal to minus 5. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So when y is minus 2, what is the value of x? X is minus 5. So you will write here minus 5. What more value we will take? We are going to take value of y such that whole is divided by whole addition should be divisible by 3. So now we will take y is equal to which number we will take? Y is equal to
minus 3.
Which value will take? If you will take five, if y is equal to minus 5, you take y is equal to minus 5. What will happen when we get y is equal to minus 5? So what will be x? Actually, when y is equal to minus 5, okay. So what will be x? X is equal to minus 7 plus 4 into, this is what, minus 5 and whole divided by 3. So this will be what, minus 7. This is the minus plus minus, so 4 5s are 20 upon 3. So this will be minus 27. Minus 7 minus 2 minus 27 upon 3. So this will be what? 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are. Means minus 9. You will get minus 9. So value of x will be minus 9. So minus 1 comma 1. This will be minus 5 comma minus 2. And this will minus 9 comma minus 5. In this way, you are able to prepare the table for linear equation 2 variables 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. So I will write down this in here, minus 1 comma 1, minus 5 comma minus 2, minus 9 comma minus 5. Now I will prepare the table for 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. If you want to take the screenshot, so you may take. Okay. Now we are going to prepare the table for 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Similarly, what will happen? 5x is equal to what? Minus 2y becomes plus 2y, and therefore x is equal to 2 divided by 5y. Means you are going to consider the value of y such that whole multiplication is divisible by 5. Okay, fine, no issue. So this is a table I'm going to prepare for equation 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay. So here you have to write x, this is y, x comma y. Now you are going to put different value of y and you will get the different value of x. So I will put what y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 5. Okay. So when y is 0, So what will be x? So x will be equal to 2 upon 5, and y is 0. So 2 by 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. So where y is 0, x is 0. Okay. When y is equal to 5, so what will be x? So x will be 2 upon 5, and what is y? Y is 5. So this 5 and this 5 will cancel out. You will get x is equal to 2. So when y is 5, x is 2. Clear? Third, when y is equal to minus 5, so you will get x is equal to 2 upon 5, and y is minus 5. So this is equal to what? 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, this is minus 1. So 2 multiplied by minus 1, you will get minus 2. So when y is minus 5, x is minus 2. And then finally we will write the ordered pair 0, 0, 2, 5, and minus 2, minus 5. Clear, student? So I'll write the ordered pair of second equation here. So second equation is what? 0, 0, and 2, 5, minus 2, minus 5. Again, student, you will complete the seventh one is for homework. Again, 7 is for homework. And now we will use graph paper to plot the points of linear equation in two variables. So take out the graph paper. Okay, students. So here, this is our graph paper. Just you will draw the horizontal line x-axis and vertical line y-axis, and intersection of these two lines will give us origin, that is 0, 0. And scale is very important, so you always write the scale on the right hand side on the graph paper. So on x-axis you are going to consider 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, 1 centimeter 1 unit, and on y-axis again 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So this is very important, student. You have to write the scale. Always you write the scale because it carries mass. Okay. So now we will plot the following points. This is first one. Now I'm going to plot this point. So first is what? 2, 0. So this is what 2, 0. So on x-axis 2 is there, and this is plus 1. On y-axis plus 1. So this is what? 2, 0. This is the point. This is what? 2, 1. Okay, this is the point 2, 1, where x is 2 and y is plus 1. So x is plus 2 and y is plus 1. Okay, we know what we know on x-axis. Right hand side is positive numbers and left hand side negative numbers, and on y-axis again the upper part of y-axis from the origin is taken as positive, and lower part of y-axis below the origin are taken as negative. Okay, so this is the first point 2, 1. Now 1, 2. So this is the first 1, 2. So x is 1. This is x is 1, and y is now 2. So y is plus 2. So we have to move upward, and here is the point. So this is the point. This is what? X is 1 and y is 2, and third point is 0, 3. So 0, 3. X 0 means where it will come? It will be at the origin. So here this point will be, and y is 3, so plus 3. So you will come here. So this will be the point, and this is what? 0, 3, where x is 0 and y is 3. Now with the help of scale, you are able to draw the straight line. Okay, by keeping scale, you are able to draw the. Okay, so for example, your scale is here, and with the help of scale, you will draw this line like this. Okay, and what is the equation? So equation is what? This equation is x plus y is equal to 3. This is what x plus y is equal to 3. Okay. Now we will plot one more equation. One more second question, first equation, that is what x plus y is equal to 6. First 5 comma 1. So what is 5 on x axis? 5 comma 1. So 5 is here, this is 5, and y is 1, so y will be here. So this is the y and this is the 5. So just you will move and you will come here. This I will join. This is what. So this point is what? 5 comma 1. Here x is 5 and y is 1. Second point is, this is the first point. The second point is 4 comma 2. So 4 comma 2, x is 4 and y is 2. So this is what? X is 4 and y is 2. So just you will move. So this is what? Y is 2. So this will be the point. This is the point what? This is 4 comma 2. Similarly, the third point is 3 comma 3. So x is 3 and y is 3. So this is the x, this is the 3. So move upward, y is 3 because it is positive. So this is 3 here. So this is the value, that is what? X is 3 and y is 3 here. X is 3 and y is 3. So in this way you are going to plot the points, and then with the help of scale just draw the line. So this will be the graph of your equation, that is x plus y is equal to 6. So this is a graph for x plus y is equal to 6. Okay. So if you want to plot negative numbers, so how will you plot the negative numbers? I will tell you this is 6-1. Question number 6-1. So first equation, that is what? 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. So x is minus 1. Okay. See here x is minus 1. I will write these 3 points. Minus 1 comma 1. Second point is minus 5 comma 2, minus 2. And third point is minus 9 comma minus 5. Okay. So 9 we cannot plot because this number is not right now. So we will plot these 2 points. This you can do your own. So minus 1 comma 1. So here x is minus 1. So where is x? So this is the x axis, negative x axis. So you will get here x is minus 1 and y is plus 1. So this will be the point where x is minus 1 and y is plus 1. Okay. Here is the point. This is 1. Okay. Now second point is what? Minus 5 comma minus 2. What is x? X is minus 5. So where is x? This is the negative axis. So this is what? Minus 5 and y is minus 2. So if you move upward, you will get plus positive numbers of y axis, but when you will move downward of the x axis, you will get negative. So this is plus minus 5, and what will be then minus 2? So this minus 2 will be here. So just we will plot. So here this point will give us the point minus 5 comma minus 2. Okay. So in this way you are able to plot the points on the graph paper, and when you will draw, you will always get a straight line, because this chapter is linear equation in 2 variables. So linear, it means it indicates when you will plot linear equation on the graph paper, you will always get a straight line. Okay students, so this is our video based on practice set 1.2. If you like the video, so like and subscribe my channel. Okay students, thank you very much. Have a nice day.